Be sure to check out my new book down in the links below. Also, Tiny House Summer Camp in the woods of Vermont off-grid. Yep, we're having it. Build with us, see live demos, hear from the experts, camp out. Going to be a lot of fun. Only a couple spots left. RelaxShacks.com.
Hey everyone, it's Will Johnston with the Microlife Institute, and this tour is specifically for Deke Diedrichsen at RelaxShacks.com. So, you are at the Cottages on Vaughn in Clarkston, Georgia. It is our pilot project brought to you by the Microlife Institute, and it's taken about 2.5 years to complete. So, I'm going to take you a quick tour of the grounds, and then we're going to go into my house. Yes, I believe in this project so much that I decided to live here. So come on and let's take a tour of the Cottages on Vaughn. What you see behind me are 8 houses on 0.57 acres. Yes, you heard that correctly. 8 houses, 8 on 0.57 acres. Each house, 7 of them are 492 square feet, and one of them, the one you see behind me right here, is 250 square feet. So yes, it is quite an amazing project. It is a pocket neighborhood a la Ross Chapin out of Washington. We work with him and we abide by his theory around pocket neighborhoods. So come on into the cottages. So I can't start this tour without thanking the people that helped make it possible, especially Fortis Homes, Kim Morrison, my business partner, Microlife Institute, the City of Clarkston, Better Tomorrow Solar, Roots Down. There's so many businesses and organizations that came together to make this awesome project exist. So let's come on into the main grounds. So you are standing now in the common area of the Cottages on Vaughn. That is, yes, it is an HOA. 8 houses pay in for a monthly fee that keeps and maintains the area. And what's great about this common area, we've got permaculture, so we've got blackberries, we've got figs, we've got loquats. I don't know what those are, but I've been told they're delicious. So we've got such a variety of edible landscape, and it's gonna be changing throughout the year. So we're really excited to be working with Roots Down to make sure that even though we built this community to be a community, we are allowing our landscape to also be a part of our interaction with our neighbors. So here we have our fire pit, our awesome fire pit. Obviously right now it's 95 degrees with 100% humidity in Atlanta, so it is not that much fun to be outside. You could probably tell I'm starting to glisten just a little. So the whole idea again of a pocket neighborhood is building around a common area. So like I said, we have 8 houses around a common area, all under 500 square feet. We, as the Microlife Institute, wanted to build this small to prove that A, we could do it, B, that there's a market for it, and C, we need to show how hard the policy is around the nation so we can be an example and a teaching moment, if you will, for other municipalities, other states and cities to use what we learned to adopt better housing policy for them. We're not saying you need to build this small, but let's use land better. So let's just jump into my house. Like I said, it's 492 square feet with a loft.
Walking down my path, I'm able to turn into my awesome, livable front porch. We definitely learned a lot from Ross Chapin of designing pocket neighborhoods because we have a usable size front porch. Now, let's go on in the inside. Welcome to my home. So what you see is 492 square feet of living space. You see my kitchen, circling around, living room area, gotta have a good bar. Let's head on into the bedroom. plenty of storage space as well as just plenty of space for a bedroom. Queen size bed. As well as an awesome closet space. Let's take a gander into the bathroom. Nice sized bathroom. Enjoy it immensely. Wonderful tile. Let's check out some other spaces. Of course, gotta have my sexy Wall-E inspired washer and dryer. I am adulting hard with those. All right, I'm going to show you my pantry space. Don't judge me, it's not done yet. But I had definitely planned on doing built-in shelving as well as some cabinetry to store all my fun dog supplies and stuff. So there you have it. That's the majority of my house, my 492 square feet. But there is a little bit more. Let's look up. Yes, we do have a 200 square foot loft upstairs. Don't worry, we have ladders being built and will be installed as we speak, actually, as you watch this video. That is our awesome Mitsubishi mini split for heating and cooling. And we will swing around and say hello to my little puppers, Sadie. And let's do one final look out on the front porch. The one thing that's great about this is just the view from my porch. Like I said before, it's a usable size. I can't wait for the fall so I can just chill out here and just enjoy this awesome view of the cottages on Vaughn.
So thank you for coming to my tour. If you want to know more about the Microlife Institute, please head to microlifeinstitute.org. And if you feel like supporting us, please feel free to donate. Do know that we hold a variety of events throughout the year, whether they be virtual or in person. So please explore microlifeinstitute.org and you can learn all about our pilot project, The Cottages on Vaughn. Thanks so much, and Deke, you rock.